Remap values in pandas column with a dict, preserve NaNs. I have a dictionary which looks like this, D equals 1 column A, 2 column B. I would like to apply it to the col1 column of a data frame similar to get. How can I best do this? For some reason Googling terms relating to this only shows me links about how to make columns from dicts and vice versa skeptical.
You can use .replace. For example, or directly on the series, i.e. df col1, .replace the in place equals true.
Map can be much faster than replace. If your dictionary has more than a couple of keys, using map can be much faster than replace. There are two versions of this approach, depending on whether your dictionary exhaustively maps all possible values, and also whether you want non-matches to keep their values or be converted to NaNs. Exhaustive mapping. In this case, the form is very simple. Although map most commonly takes a function as its argument, it can alternatively take a dictionary or series. Documentation for pandas.series.map. Non-exhaustive mapping. If you have a non-exhaustive mapping and wish to retain the existing variables for non-matches, you can add filma. As in a JPP's answer here, replace values in a pandas series via dictionary efficiently. Benchmarks. Using the following data with pandas version 0.23.1. And testing with %timeit, it appears that map is approximately 10x faster than replace. Note that your speedup with map will vary with your data. The largest speedup appears to be with large dictionaries and exhaustive replaces. See a JPP answer, linked above, for more extensive benchmarks and discussion.
There is a bit of ambiguity in your question. There are at least 3 interpretations. The keys in D refer to index values, the keys in D refer to df col1 values. The keys in D refer to index locations, not the ops question, but thrown in for fun. Below is a solution for each case. Case 1. If the keys of D are meant to refer to index values, then you could use the update method. For example, yields. I've modified the values from your original post so it is clear what update is doing. Note how the keys in D are associated with index values. The order of the index values, that is, the index locations, does not matter. Case 2. If the keys in D refer to df col1 values, then at Dan Allen and at DSM show how to achieve this with replace. Yields. Note how in this case the keys in D were changed to match values in df col1. Case 3. If the keys in D refer to index locations, then you could use since yields Here, the first and third rows were altered, because the keys in D are 0 and 2, which with Python's zero-based indexing refer to the first and third locations.
DSM has the accepted answer, but the coding doesn't seem to work for everyone. Here is one that works with the current version of pandas, 0.23.4 as of 8/2018. You'll see it looks like the docs for pandas.dataframe.replace are here.